Hey guys, we're here at Olliff's Architectural Antiques and Salvage. We have an incredible auction for you coming up on the 28th of October. We've got all sorts of beautiful architectural salvage, including fireplaces, fountains, antiques and much more. So let's go and have a look inside.
Our auction is on the 28th of October. We're going to be posting over the next 3 or 4 weeks of lots of interesting gear, but for the time being, if you want to follow me, I've got more to show you.
Driveway gates.
We have an extremely rare sculpture by John Verne.
Forest of Dean, rare stone fountain.
Carved marble fire surround circa 1835.
Street lights.
Fireplaces.
Cast iron baths.
Knockers.
Fireplace inserts.
Columns.
Furniture.
One of the showpiece lots, lot 563, a marble statue by Roman Ellie depicting Romeo and Juliet, circa 1875.
This is lot 335, 19th century, lovely lead putty burnt bath with an estimate of 350 to 450.
We have a huge selection of small antiques, including Scottish-made porthole windows, door handles, clocks, and toilets.
Here we have 2 terracotta urns, the limestone cross, and the balconettes. This auction is live and online only. If you want to bid, make sure you register at wellersauctions.com so you can bid and buy.